Hey everybody, here's a quick light language transmission to clear the misconceptions around twin flames, the twin flame dynamic, differentiate it between loneliness or obsession and actual spiritual connection and mission, and to clear away false gurus. Atatati takaka toko koto toto toko. Akatatati takakaka. Akatati takakati takakoko toko koko akatia tia tia. Akatatati takakato koko koko akakatatata. Akatatatati takakato koko 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 koko. Akatatatati takakato ko. Akatatatati takakato koko koko koko. Akatatatati takakato koko. So I'm feeling energies coming in to align you to your self-knowing, your own inner source of power, connecting yourself to God, your God self, your higher self, your higher wisdom and knowing, and emphasizing the communication between that part of yourself, your ego self, your mental body, that helps you understand cognitively, and helps remove confusion and reduces your ability to be vulnerable to narcissists or money makers who intentions are not true, or who do not have the skill to or knowledge to really help you on this journey. Akatata takaka. Akatata takaka. I'm feeling a huge amount of despair shifting out of the collective energy. Akatata takaka. Akatata takaka toko koko. Akatata takaka toko. Akatata takaka toko koko. Akatatata. Akatatata takaka. Akatatata takaka. Akatatata takaka toko koko. Akatatata takaka toko koko. Akatatata takaka toko koko. Akakatata takaka. Akatatata takaka toko. Akatatata takaka toko koko. Akaka ya katia kata ti. Akatatata takaka toko koko. Seeing magenta energy plus pink unconditional love energy plus pink fuchsia energy coming in, helping to repair those areas where you've given your power away to either your twin flame or to somebody who's a twin flame expert, when they are not, or who've misguided you or given you wrong information in your time of confusion. The heart is clearing. I'm seeing orange energy come in, sacral chakra energy. Pinks, pink and apricots. Akatatatati takaka. Akatatatata. Akatatatata. It's clearing through your throat, your third eye. Atatatatatatatata, crown chakra. Atatatatatatatata. Akatatatatatatatatatatatatatatatatatatatato. Akatatatatatatatatatatatatatatatata. Purple coming in. Akatatatatatatatatatatatatatatatata. Akatatatatatatatatatatatatako. Akatatatata. Akatatatatatatatatatata. Akatatatatatatatatatatatatata. Akatatatatatatatatatata. Akatatatata. Akatatatatatakatakatakata. Akatatatatatatatatatatatatatatakakakakakakakoko. Akatatatatatatatatatitakatakakakakaka. Akatatatatatakakakakakakakakakakoko. Akatatata, deep into the throat chakra now. Akatatatatatakatakatakata, working through all the different little segments of the throat chakra. Akatitititititititi. Akatatatatata, down to the solar plexus. Akatatatatatatakatakatakata. Akatatatatatatatata. Akatatatatatatakatokotokokokokokokoko. Akatatata. That's as we clear that throat chakra, it's also clearing residue and debris in the third eye chakra, helping you to see clearly what is real, what is not real. Akatatatatatatatitakatakatokokokokokokoko. Akatatatatatatatatatatata. Akatatatatatatakakakakakakakakakaka. Akatatatatokokoko. Can feel cords coming off the internal organs as this is clearing out through the throat chakra. Akatitititititititi, and the cords connect to the throat chakra. Akatatatatitakatakatokoko. Akatatata. Akatatatatitakatakatokokokokokoko. Akatatata. Akatatatatitakatakatokokokokoko. Akatatatatitakatakatakatakakaka. Akatatatatakatakatokokokokoko. Akakatatatakakakakoko. Akatatatatakatakataka. Akatatatatakatakatokokoko. Akatatatakatakatakatokoko. Akakatakaka. Akatatata. So we're settling around the sacral chakra now and the reproductive system. Golden energy coming from above, coming into the third eye chakra. We've got that apricot color again. Soothing and repairing the womb and the reproductive areas in both genders. So we've got the energy of kind of like narcissism or selfishness. I can feel the impact of that on vulnerable people. So we're working with that energy now coming in from outside, being able to recognize that, being able to feel the difference. Release through the heart there, release through the throat. Still very much energy, golden energy, pouring into the sacral chakra. Cords clearing out the back. Really big release now through that throat chakra. A lot of lime green energy, clearing that out. Loving green healing energy. Archangel Raphael is in there, really bringing that green energy into that throat chakra. Helping you to stand in your truth, in your truth of who you are, who you know you are. Being able to find help in the right places by remaining in your power and discerning from that place of your own truth and some clarity. Clearing out through the solar plexus. Yeah. Okay, I can feel an embodiment of your own essence, your own spirit coming in. Being comfortable in your own skin is what I'm getting. And yeah, really, really much stronger throat chakra there and a much clearer third eye. So the throat chakra is knowing and expressing your truth as you are, regardless of what anybody pushes against in regards to that or tries to tell you what to do. And third eye is like clarity of vision, seeing clearly but seeing the invisible as well, seeing what's not said. Solar plexus releasing, back of the throat releasing, really grounded now. Your own power, your own essence grounded through your feet into the earth grids, and expansion. Yeah, that's it. So that's just a quick light language transmission, but it contains a lot of light codes and a lot of healing. So do make sure you listen to your body, rest when you need to help you integrate, drink a lot of water to help that move through as best as it can, and listen to your body. Blessings, everybody.